Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Tahin Nizami and I am Associate Professor at Smriti College of Pharmaceutical Education, Indore. Today we are going to study about our 7th semester subject. The name of subject is Instrumental Method of Analysis. Students, it is very important subject as far as your 7th semester and your PG examination is concerned. ये सब्जेक्ट जीपैट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से और इंडस्ट्री के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि इस सब्जेक्ट में हम इंस्ट्रूमेंट मेथड्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। आप सब जानते हैं एनालिसिस क्या होता है। एनालिसिस का मतलब होता है किसी भी चीज को इवोल्यूएट करना। तो इस सब्जेक्ट के अंदर हमको फार्मास्यूटिकल मेथड्स, जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होते हैं उसकी मेथड्स के एनालिसिस की टेक्निक्स समझना है। एज फार एज स्कोप ऑफ दिस सब्जेक्ट इज कंसर्न, university has discussed about the scope that this subject deals with the application of instrument methods in quantitative and qualitative analysis of drugs. This subject is designed to impart a fundamental knowledge on the principles and instrumentation of spectroscopic and chromatographic techniques. As far as objective is concerned, the main objective of this subject is to understand the interaction of matter with electromagnetic radiations and its application in drug analysis. And also it is designed to understand the chromatographic techniques of separation analysis of drugs. So students, let us discuss about the course content of this term. Basically this subject is divided into 5 units. The 5 units are Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4 and Unit 5. In first unit, we will discuss about very important topic of analysis, that is UV visible spectroscopy. You all know about what is UV visible spectroscopy. UV visible spectroscopy is a technique of determining the drug using UV radiations. In this syllabus, in this unit, we have fluorimetry also. In fluorimetry analysis, we discuss about the fluorimetry assay. That is the theory concepts of fluorimetry. In second unit, we will discuss about very important topic, that is IR. You know very well what is IR. It is infrared spectroscopy. In IR chapter, we will discuss about introduction, fundamentals, principles, fundamentals, mode of vibration in polyatomic molecules. We discuss about handling of samples in IR and also discuss about factor affecting various vibration. In IR chapter, we will discuss about instrumentation also. In that, we will discuss about very important new technique, that is FTIR, which is known as Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy. In Unit 2, we have flame photometry also. This is a technique which is used to determine some elements which are alkaline earth elements like sodium, lithium, calcium, and this is a very important technique which is used in pharmaceutical industry for the assay of alkaline metals. In Unit 2, there is also an important topic, that is atomic absorption spectroscopy. In atomic absorption spectroscopy, we will discuss about how the particles of atoms are analyzed through techniques of instruments. In Unit 3, we will discuss about very important topic in analysis, that is chromatography. In fact, chromatography is a very important technique which is used in industries in nowadays. The basic concept of chromatography is, it is a separation technique, and in this we will discuss about thin layer chromatography, paper chromatography and column chromatography. In Unit 4, we will discuss about gas chromatography. This is the latest and advanced technique in pharmaceutical industries which are using for analysis of drug. And students, when you will go in industries, when you go for interviews for department like QA and QC, they will ask certainly about chromatographic techniques. Although TLC is the conventional technique, but still in analysis of herbal drugs, TLC is a very important tool. The advanced form of TLC is HPTLC, that you have learned in your previous classes. In gas chromatography, we will discuss about instrumentation and principle of gas chromatography, also its application in pharmaceutical field. Not only in pharmaceutical field, gas chromatography is also used in field of chemical analysis, analysis of dyes, fertilizers, etc. In Unit 4, we will discuss about HPLC. Students, this is very important technique of chromatography, and the full form of HPLC is high performance liquid chromatography. In this technique, we will study about the columns which are available, the mobile phase which are available, and the pumps which are available. You might be knowing about photodiode or array detectors in your previous semester, and you have heard about detectors. In HPLC technique, we will discuss about detectors because it is very sensitive technique. The main important part of HPLC is detectors. Pumps used in HPLC. Now, HPLC and TLC, we will also discuss the comparative study about HPLC and TLC. So, in Unit 4, basically we discuss about chromatography, that is gas chromatography and HPLC. So, students, likewise in 5th and last unit, we will discuss about some more chromatographic techniques like ion exchange chromatography. Ion exchange chromatography, as name suggests, the principle of ion exchange chromatography is depend on the exchange of ions. You know about ions, resins, anion, cations, that all we will study in this chapter. In gel chromatography, we will study about the chromatography using gel techniques. We will discuss about the theory, principle, instrumentation and various applications in gel chromatography. In biotechnology, gel chromatography is used in very vast way. Lastly, in Unit 5, we will discuss something about some more techniques like the application of chromatography. So the most important part, you might be thinking that from which book we will study these chapters. Students, we will study these chapters basically from 4 books, and these books are very standard books. You can note down the first book is, you might be knowing about this book is Vogel's. The name of book is Vogel's Textbook of Quantitative Chemical Analysis. And second book you have to refer for instrumental method of analysis is Practical Pharmaceutical Chemistry by Beckett. So Beckett is a very important book, and you have read about this book. Part 1 you had to read in your elemental classes. In Pharmaceutical Analysis 1 for titration you have referred Beckett. So same book you will refer for this subject also. Another book is very important, that is Organic Spectroscopy by William Camm. It is very good book and very informative, very knowledgeable and present in our library also. Lastly, I will suggest to refer about book which is Spectroscopic Identification of Organic Compound by Silverstein. It is one of the most standard book which is used in instrumental method of analysis. So for further information and more knowledge, from next video we will start with chapter number 1, that is UV visible spectroscopy. Thank you.